Monday is worse than yours. You can also share your Monday experience in the comments.
Did you know that your nip-nips are being exposed right now? Exposed. Exposed, but... Ouch. I can tell when you're coming at me. Sometimes I can't tell, but I can. Boss. Balls. You big balls. There. Or your big butt be exposed. Your big butt's being exposed.